At Structural Concepts, we know that convention centers, arenas, airports, hospitality venues, and any other high-traffic locations provide opportunities for captive audiences looking for quick and easy access to fresh food. With airline passenger numbers possibly doubling to 8.2 billion by 2037, an average of 50% of passengers are eating and drinking at airports. And 78% of consumers ordered food the last time they were at a sports venue or concert arena, saying they would purchase more on-site food if presented with a wider selection and bigger portions. Structural Concepts can create a destination for fresh food by utilizing space-saving, innovative display options that meet the needs of travelers and event goers anywhere else that fresh food is sold. We visualize a solution and then thoughtfully develop merchandisers and displays that can be easily integrated into new or existing formats to ensure continuity of fit and design while increasing lead times, minimizing operating costs, and reducing labor challenges. As consumers want food from a to-go menu that is optimized for travel and events, Structural Concepts delivers endless innovative possibilities through an established vertical integration that puts more control over the quality and availability of the solutions we design, engineer, manufacture, and service. By creating cohesive experiences meeting sellers of fresh foods' needs, we reduce labor challenges by providing convenient options, including grab-and-go displays and self-service merchandisers that meet industry requirements and require minimum management. And for those consumers looking for dining options on a 24/7 basis, the autonomous retail merchandiser is the perfect solution. By holding 23% more food, having the ability to operate seamlessly 24/7 in remote locations, and providing 100% security and 100% inventory management control, this merchandiser delivers a quick payback by generating 30% more recurring profits versus the leading competition. By building merchandisers with the shortest lead times in the industry that last longer, save energy, and minimize operating costs, Structural Concepts can help increase operating ROI by generating demand with a wide range of heated and refrigerated food service solutions designed to fit any configuration and immediately garner the attention of a passerby in need for grab-and-go meal options. Structural Concepts, delivering fresh, always.